Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Kemono Party when it's not updating properly. If your favorite creators' pages or posts aren't refreshing, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the main fixes step by step. First, start by refreshing the Kemono Party page using Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Command plus Shift plus R on Mac. This forces a full reload and clears cached data. If that doesn't help, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes prevent the latest updates from appearing. Next, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable internet might cause the site to stop syncing new content. Switching to a different network or restarting your router can help. Then, make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If you're on an outdated version, update it to the latest release. If Kemono Party still isn't updating, the issue could be on their end. Visit Kemono's official status page or Reddit community to check for downtime or maintenance notices. Finally, if nothing else works, wait a few hours and try again. Updates sometimes take time to propagate across servers. And that's it. By following these steps, you can usually fix Kemono Party not updating and get back to browsing new content smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.